Hello, welcome to SNS channel.
It was a beautiful day and I decided to go out for a walk in the beautiful English countryside. We have had a late summer this year and it was looking so beautiful. Along the walking path, I found some wild blackberries growing. They were perfectly organic without any fertilizers or without any insecticides. So I decided to pluck some. Came home, gave them a good wash, and they are ready to use. They were very juicy and tasty. As I had plenty, I decided to make some vegan blackberry muffins in the air fryer. They were very yummy, and I'm uploading the recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. If you wish, you can decorate it with icing and make it into cupcakes. The ingredients required to make it are 1.5 cup of blackberries, 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, half cup of sugar, a pinch of baking soda, and 1 cup of self-raising flour. Alternately, you can use plain flour with baking powder. Take 1 cup of blackberries in a bowl, add 1/4 cup of sunflower oil and half cup of sugar to it. Take a hand blender and mix it all well together as shown in the video. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix it all well. Add a cup of self-raising flour and again mix it all well together with the help of the hand blender. Then add half a cup of blackberries and mix it with the help of a spoon. Take cupcake trays designed for air fryer and line it with the cupcake molds. Fill them evenly with the muffin batter that you have prepared. Place the trays in the air fryer and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes, checking intermittently by passing a knife in the center. When the knife comes out clean, the muffins have been cooked. Take them out, allow them to cool, and transfer to serving plate and enjoy the delicious vegan blackberry muffins.